What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Princeline of Princeline Productions, back again with another video, back again with another one.
I'm rolling greens to veggies, nigga.
And today I'm gonna be doing a quick YouTube video
like Eddie, nigga.
How to
hold weight like a heavy nigga.
Watch
I stunt just to stunt. I'm a petty nigga.
braids
Heavy hitter, bad bitch getter. Diamond shining in the night, sparkle like some glitter.
So,
I'm counting cash, increase stash revenue, big business move. I make sure it's coming through. ODB on the sweats and the hoodies too. The drip mean everything is new.
It's still pretty good.
Pocket full of cash, everything is blue. I got the rocket when I dash, I be breaking rules. Yeah, pop a little off and I groove different. Upper echelon when I dine, I roof crescent. There's levels to this shit, it's a big difference. Nigga using motherfucking shrimp, I'm big pimpin'.
We're gonna use the
shit, it's a big difference.
We're
Nigga
gonna
use a
deep condition.
motherfucking shrimp,
That's why
I'm
the
big
condition is
pimpin'.
there, and we're gonna like let it sit so that you're not like manipulating the hair so that it frizzes more and eventually comes out. And we're gonna band it so that it doesn't fall apart while it's wet. So get to it.
Niggas can't fuck with us. We dangerous, dangerous, dangerous.
This is a Beats production.
One life to live. What you get this far.
Alright, now so we're gonna go in with Carol's Daughter's Black Vanilla Hydrating Conditioner. This product gives moisture, shine, and repairs hair.
ODB is serious. Niggas can't fuck with us. We dangerous, dangerous, dangerous.
High above the cloud, I mean
Yeah, one thing again, I would say don't be afraid to scratch the scalp, and always don't forget to work the conditioner through the hair. Every product that you use, you want to work it through the hair, whether it's oil, cream, or whether it's even water, because you want to get through all the strands.
Niggas in pocket, hustle hard, trying to get a profit. 45 in my ways, they try to stop us. Running through your city with some pretty bitches. Got them on my dick like magnums, hanging on my hip like a handgun. Rushing to your hoop, score and one. More free throws coming out of Pro Tools. 20 years strong, I'm an old scholar. Fuck a 50 cent, I'm about $1. Hills got my back anytime I holler. I got a meal cause I spend $1. I could say we won if we work together. High above the clouds, see the ocean water. Ocean water.
One life
Tomorrow's
to
production
live.
available on today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start
This
making
part you give. ODB is serious. Niggas can't fuck with us. We dangerous, dangerous, dangerous.
fine with being underrated, long as I ain't underpaid.
Alright, so now I'm just putting it into, a top bun so that it'll be easier to, then put the plastic bag over it to, seal in all the conditioner and deep condition.
My niggas is spending no money, nothing underage. Niggas is moving snow through them summer days. Do it for the greenery, to switch up the scenery. We ain't never slipping though, keep the machinery for a reason. Hoodie season, got the thing on me.
Yeah, so at this point I just throw a bonnet on so I can lay down, chill, play games, whatever, have fun, and continue watching Dear White People. So have fun, guys.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is just like deep condition for a while, have the bonnet on so that you don't look crazy with a plastic bag on your head. But yeah, so I'm gonna be back in around like 30 minutes to an hour. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back and it's been like a few hours. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but there's nothing wrong with deep conditioning for hours, going to sleep, waking up, whatever the case may be. Alright? So yeah, so I'm gonna take off the bonnet. Boom. And I'm gonna take off the plastic bag. And as you can see, the scalp has been like fully saturated with the conditioner and the water, and now you can just rinse it out. And make sure when you rinse it out you hold the top of the hair so that it doesn't end up loosening at the top and unraveling. If it does happen, You could just, like, if it happens to a few of them, just retwist them, put a little bit of beeswax like how I do at the ends, and it should be fine. The video after this should be the it should be the how to twist your hair like how I do, the micro twists. So stay tuned for that video because they're gonna need that in order to ensure hair growth. You feel me? Ready? Go. Alright, so I'm back. I washed my hair, I washed the conditioner out. Now what I'm gonna do is
Calmly.
I'm gonna use leave-in conditioner and
This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
The LOC method or LCO method is already in play because my hair is already wet, and I'm gonna be using a cream.
First I cop that, break it down, roll it up, pass round, too loud. Can you hear me?
Alright, so you guys have been asking me what conditioners do I use in my hair with leave-ins. I use this leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. It is of the Breakage Pure Honey line, and it has no sulfates, so get on that.
Like Steph, I'm a threat in a big shot.
Alright, so a lot of shrinkage is going on. My hair is like in my eyes and in front of my face and stuff. That's how it is when it's weighed down, wet and stuff. A lot of shrinkage is going on also. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the banding method to, you know, have it dry because it's wet right now, and hopefully it's not as, you know, heavy and weighed down in my face that I don't like. So yeah, I'll be back when it's fully dry. So yeah, what's up YouTube, I'm back. We reached the end of the video. My hair is fully dry. This is what the results were. You know, it's still twisted, it's still, you know, still tightly twisted, still in micro twists. That's the benefit of micro twists. It's too small for it to unravel like a big twist and, you know, absorb all the water, and then be too heavy to too heavy and unravel because it soaks up all the water, right? So that's the benefits of the micro twist. This is what the second week I had it in, and yeah, so it's a very valuable hairstyle for me because it can stay in for 2-3. The longest I've had this in was for a month, and then I did a twist out which lasted like 2 weeks. So it's like a 6-week hairstyle. So this hairstyle is pretty valid. I really like it a lot. You know, Leon Thomas inspired the hairstyle. Brackshat copied it, and then now it's me. Feel me? So yeah, Leon Thomas is a great inspiration. You guys can see the video for the how to do these twists, the micro twists, in the next video, either the next video or the video after. Yeah, because, you know, I'm saving that video and the product reveal video of all my products. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And as you know, Trooper Gang, Trooper Squad. Peace.
This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
You see the drip, I drip sauce.
Hey.